Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing on these cool glow in the dark and UV color changing threads that I found on Amazon. So again, in this video I just wanted to show you guys that for the most part they do work. They are changing how it's being advertised in the listings. So let's get started with the UV color changing threads. Basically, if you take them outside under the sunlight, they're going to shift a different color. For example, I have these like white cream ones, and can you see how cool this is? They're shifting into different shades of pink, except for the middle one. I don't know what happened to that one. It didn't change at all. And then when you take them back inside, they're going to shift back to its original color. I also wanted to show you guys the colored thread ones. These ones as well, they do change under the sunlight, but I feel like it's a different effect where it's not as bright. So the green is trying to be more like a orange yellow, and the blue into like a lavender. But again, in person you can still see the blue and green. So yeah, just something again to keep in mind when you're working with these colors. Then maybe stay with the whites if you really want like that cool shift effect. And then when it comes to the glow in the dark, the same thing for the most part. They all work to an extent. I feel like the lighter colors glow more than the darker colors. So yeah, if you're interested, I'll link them down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty cool, right? I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.